Number 5. Molly and her mom are training for a 75-mile bike marathon. She can now do 6 miles in 30 minutes. How long would it take her to do the 75-mile bike marathon if she can keep that pace for the whole marathon? Express your answer in hours and minutes. Okay, we need to figure out the speed first. The speed is distance over time. So she travels 6 miles in 30 minutes. So for, this is 1.5 mile per minute, that says she can travel 1 mile in 5 minutes, right? So she has 75 miles to cover. That meaning each mile she need 5 minutes, right? So this is a total number of minutes that she needs. And if we carry this out, 5 multiply 5, carry over 2, and 375 minutes. Remember, the question asks you for hours and minutes. Students can convert these minutes into a how many hours in how many minutes format. Number 6. Rihanna is reading a new book. She just finished 1/3 of the book. She notices that if she reads 60 more pages, she will be 1/2 done with the book. How many pages long is the book? Okay, we're going to repeat our graphical technique. Here is your whole book. This is halfway. She just finished 1/3. 1/3 is about here. Okay, this is 1/3. And she notices that if she reads 60 more pages, she'll be 1/2 done. 1/2 is here. This is 60 pages. How many pages long is the book? Okay, this is 1/2. This little portion corresponds to 1/2 minus 1/3. And this is 60 pages. So we'll leave this for the students to figure out. So if we want to carry this out, we want to first make the denominator the same. Remember, we talked about this if we want to subtract. So the common multiplier for these two are 2 multiply 3. So we do the same for the, so I guess we'll carry this out instead of the student to do the work. So once you can see is 1/6. So this is 1/6 of the whole book. So now there are 2 ways of doing this. Method 1, for lower grade students, okay, if I have a whole book that I divide them into 6 parts. This is 1/6, right? For 1/6 is 60 pages. So now this 1 unit is 60 pages. The total book is 60 multiply 6, which is 360 pages. So for the second method, we can find out is that 60 pages corresponding to 1/6 of a whole book. So what's the total? So 60 pages corresponds to 1/6. Basically, you have 60 multiply 6, which is 360. The higher grade students can follow the second method.